Fat loss is one of the biggest goals for anyone starting a fitness journey, and the debate never ends. Some swear by cardio sessions that burn calories fast, while others trust weight training to reshape the body. Cardio keeps your heart racing and helps improve stamina while burning quick energy reserves in minutes. Strength training, on the other hand, builds muscle that keeps burning fat even while you rest later. Both forms of exercise play powerful roles, but the key is knowing how to balance them for your body type. When I started my transformation, I realized fat loss depends more on consistency than the workout itself. Your nutrition, rest, and training style all work together to create visible, lasting results over time. This video breaks down which method truly works best, depending on your goals and daily schedule. Like and subscribe for more deep breakdowns of fitness myths and real tested workout strategies. Let's explore the science behind cardio versus strength training and what really melts fat faster. 1. Understanding fat loss basics. Fat loss occurs when your body burns more energy than it consumes consistently over time. Both cardio and strength training play vital roles, but they work through different mechanisms. Cardio focuses on calorie burn during the workout, while strength builds muscle for the future. Muscle tissue burns calories even at rest, making it crucial for long-term fat-burning efficiency. To lose fat effectively, you must balance calorie intake with energy expenditure daily and weekly. Cardio may show faster short-term results, while strength builds sustainable long-term changes. True fat loss is not just about losing weight, but maintaining lean, healthy muscle proportionately. The best approach combines smart eating with both forms of training for maximum body benefits. Understanding the science behind each method helps you choose wisely and stay consistent longer. Consistency, discipline, and nutrition together determine fat loss, not one single workout type. 2. The role of cardio in fat burning. Cardio or aerobic exercise increases your heart rate and improves oxygen flow through the body. Activities like running, cycling, or swimming burn high amounts of calories during each session. It helps reduce visceral fat around organs, which lowers heart disease and diabetes risks greatly. Cardio also boosts endurance and lung capacity, supporting overall cardiovascular health naturally. It is especially effective for beginners who want quick calorie burn and mental clarity early on. Regular cardio helps regulate hormones related to hunger and improves metabolic flexibility easily. However, overdoing cardio without proper diet may lead to muscle loss and slower metabolism overall. 3. Strength training and muscle growth. Strength training builds lean muscle mass, which becomes your body's natural fat-burning engine. Each new muscle fiber increases resting metabolism, meaning you burn calories even while resting. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, or push-ups stimulate large muscles, leading to powerful transformation. Unlike cardio, strength sessions continue burning calories for hours through the afterburn effect. This process, called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, enhances long-term calorie expenditure. Muscle growth tightens and sculpts your body, giving a toned appearance while reducing body fat. Lifting weights also strengthens bones, joints, and connective tissues, preventing injuries overall. 4. Why cardio alone is not enough. Many people rely solely on cardio for fat loss, but this often leads to quick plateaus and fatigue. Without strength training, muscle mass decreases, causing metabolism to slow down significantly fast. Cardio burns calories during workouts, but once you stop activity, the calorie burn also ends quickly. Over time, this imbalance can make fat loss harder, even with longer or more intense cardio sessions. Too much cardio can also raise cortisol levels, increasing stress and storing fat around midsection. Lack of muscle tone from skipping strength work can make the body appear softer rather than toned. A balanced routine that includes both methods keeps metabolism active and body composition stable. Cardio alone is helpful for endurance, but not the ultimate answer for complete fat transformation. 5. The science of combining both. When cardio and strength training are combined, fat loss happens faster and more efficiently overall. Cardio burns immediate calories, while strength improves muscle density and long-term metabolism. This combination increases both aerobic capacity and anaerobic endurance for total body fitness. Doing strength before cardio helps the body use fat as energy during the second phase naturally. Alternate days of lifting and cardio prevent overtraining while keeping energy levels balanced. High-intensity interval training blends both elements, offering quick sessions with maximum output. Studies show combining these two methods leads to better insulin sensitivity and body composition. The mix challenges different energy systems, keeping workouts exciting and sustainable for months. By balancing both, you build endurance, strength, flexibility, and improved recovery simultaneously. Together, they form a holistic routine that burns fat, tones muscles, and strengthens your heart. 6. HIIT as the middle ground. High-intensity interval training is a perfect blend of cardio and strength in short, powerful bursts. It alternates intense effort with recovery, making the body burn fat long after the workout ends. HIIT raises heart rate quickly and activates muscle fibers that traditional cardio often misses. You can perform it using bodyweight resistance bands or light weights for strength integration. The sessions usually last 15 to 20 minutes, yet provide immense metabolic benefits daily. This approach saves time while improving stamina coordination and fat oxidation dramatically. Beginners can start with lower intensity rounds and progress gradually as endurance improves. 7. Nutrition's role in fat loss. No workout can outdo poor nutrition, as diet controls almost 70% of fat loss progress. Balanced meals with adequate protein, fiber, and healthy fats enhance both cardio and strength gains. Protein supports muscle repair, while complex carbs fuel workouts without spiking insulin rapidly. Avoiding processed foods. Sugary snacks and late-night eating helps maintain a calorie deficit easily. Hydration is equally vital, since dehydration slows metabolism and increases fatigue unnecessarily. Meal timing matters too. Eating after workouts helps muscle recovery and improves energy levels. A calorie deficit should be moderate enough to sustain performance and prevent muscle breakdown. Tracking progress through energy, mood, and strength levels ensures realistic and lasting change. 8. Choosing what works for you. The best workout is always the one you can maintain consistently with enjoyment and motivation. Some people love the rush of running, while others find power in lifting weights confidently daily. Assess your goals, body type, schedule, and personal preferences before committing to any one plan. If your aim is quick calorie burn, cardio may fit, but for long-term tone, strength is essential. Experiment with both styles for a few weeks to observe energy levels and physical changes honestly. Finding your balance keeps workouts engaging and prevents burnout or loss of interest completely. Even small home routines combining squats, push-ups, and jumping jacks can yield visible results. 9. Mistakes to avoid in training. Ignoring rest days can lead to exhaustion, injuries, and reduced performance over the long term. Neglecting nutrition or sleep while training hard slows metabolism and increases fat retention. Doing endless cardio without strength causes muscle loss, making it harder to stay lean permanently. Skipping warm-ups or stretching leads to stiffness, reducing flexibility and motion during exercise. Improper form and weight training can harm joints and limit your progress rather than enhance it. Overestimating calorie burn and overeating afterwards reverses the benefits of your hard effort. Switching routines too often prevents adaptation and slows strength or endurance improvements. 10. Final verdict on fat loss. Cardio and strength are partners, not rivals. Both contribute uniquely to efficient fat reduction. Cardio enhances endurance and burns calories fast, while strength shapes muscles and metabolism. The ultimate solution is a customized blend that fits your body type, schedule, and daily energy. Prioritize strength for lasting tone and add cardio for stamina. Flexibility and heart wellness. Balanced routines prevent plateaus by challenging your body in multiple ways across each week. Recovery, nutrition, and hydration play equal roles in sustaining long-term fat-burning results. Fitness is not about extremes, but about harmony between movement, rest, and mindful nourishment. Both cardio and strength training are essential, but their power depends on how you use them together. Cardio burns calories during the workout, while strength builds lean muscle that keeps fat off for good. People who combine both usually see faster results than those who focus on only one training type. Remember, fat loss is not a one-size-fits-all plan. Your effort and diet matter more than the method. Progress may be slow, but every drop of sweat adds up to long-term transformation and inner strength. The smartest fitness approach is to train smarter, not harder, while understanding your body's rhythm. Like and subscribe for more fitness breakdowns that keep your motivation alive every single week. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell which workout works best for your fat loss goals. Thank you for watching and supporting this journey towards stronger, healthier living every day. Stay consistent, stay active. People who combine both usually see faster results than those who focus